pwedeng matalo.
We're down by 19. We're down by 19. Parang hindi kami makasabay sa kanila. Every time they got the ball, pinupush nila, parang hindi kami makasabay sila. Siguro maybe back to sunod-sunod yung games namin. So, sinubukan kong mag-zone. Medyo gumanda naman and nakapag-adjust yung mga boys. We didn't practice that our zone defense yung club namin. So, nakapag-adjust naman sila. It's them, not us. It's not the coaching staff. That's why kung bakit kami nanalo. It's their heart and effort. Bakit kami nanalo.
Na-outscore niyo sila ng fourth quarter, 28-9.
Well, siguro, sa endgame, marami rin silang na-miss, di ba? So, luckily, we got the rebound. Naka-convert namin yung pass break. So, ang key pa rin is yung offensive rebound ni Dek, defensive rebound ni Dek, at ni Byron Villarreal. Especially yung last part na dalawang offensive rebound.
Coach, ano yung next game mo?
It will be against, mahina lang naman, Sambeda. We'll see. Sinabi ko na sa kanila, you can celebrate now, but on Wednesday, back to work tayo, concentrate tayo sa Sambeda because they're the number 1 team, they're the defending champion. So, we need a lot of hard work, we need a lot of scouts sa kanila.
Coach, at 6-1,
parang hindi makapaniwala eh.
Ano yung feeling mo na parang maganda na yung nakakito ka naman?
Para sa akin, every time na sinasabi ko sa kanila, it will be 6-1. The next game, it should be 7-1. But, trabaho pa rin tayo. Don't think about it na nasa number lang tayo. Anytime kasi pwedeng isang relax lang yan eh. Bigla kami pumaksak. So, iniiwasan ko sa kanila na mag-relax. So, sabi ko, ito na yung situation natin. Wala naman nag-expect na nandito tayo to be number 1, pero nandito na, samantalahin na natin.